Hi friends, welcome back to Osborne Insider, where you can get the latest information about our products, installation tips, and other news. Have you browsed our collection of onlays and appliques? As you can see, we have a huge selection of these decorative wooden pieces. Many of these options are thin and feature flat backs to make attachment easy. This allows for endless embellishment opportunities throughout the home. Attach them to your furniture, walls, cabinets, and more. Design elements available in this collection include vineyard, swirl, coastal, floral, square, round, and more. Smaller pieces work wonderfully on furniture such as this small classic pyramid block. This can be used to create stylish patterns and add textural detail to a furniture build. Larger items, such as this classic large applique, are often used as centerpieces above doorways, on fireplace mantles, and on large furniture pieces. These wooden pieces are sanded and ready for you to finish however you choose. You can paint or stain them to match the surface you are attaching them to, or give them a contrasting color to draw more attention. Thank you for joining me for this Osborne Insider. If you would like to stay updated with our newest content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, I hope you take the opportunity to build something beautiful.